Morning, another day in Squamish, the last one for us. And before heading to Vancouver, we have one last stop. It's RopeRunner, a tower of three adventure alike path, and it's 45 bucks per person. If you reserve online, it's $5 off, but still a lot of bucks. And we just dropped in, so we got the full price, but just so you guys are aware. And seems interesting. What do you think about it?
Seems nice.
Nice? It's pretty hot here. It's almost 30 degrees. And like she's with a fancy denim jacket. Finally got the chance to get the camera. And we have this little monkey. She's stuck. We are on the black path. It's the hardest one. And she's doing just fine. She's going very good. Very good. She's having fun. And at the same time, trouble. Like, like she's doing great. She's doing great. So we're trying to get this clicking safety harness closer. Bravissima. We started at the top one, but it was like too scary. So we decided to get to the first level. There is like green, then you have blue, which I can see right now. Then you have black, which is the hardest. Yay! She did it! So what's up? Where are you?
Waiting for my food.
Let's see what's up around. Oh shit! Take the hands off! Take the hands off! She got to the top, last level, and she's on the boat. She's scared, but she made it. She won her fear.
Poquito sucia.
This is the Lion Gate Bridge. Welcome back to Vancouver. Andrea doesn't have a clue of what is going on. She's just waiting